Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you another beautiful crochet pattern of triangular shawl. I have shared some crochet patterns of triangular shawls on my channel already, and this time I am sharing a summer shawl pattern. So for this crochet project, I am using a number 5 steel crochet hook. This crochet hook is equal to 2 mm in size, and I am using a 3-ply yarn. So first of all, wrap the yarn around finger like this and pull it, make a slip knot, and then with the help of crochet hook we are going to make chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, and then chain 5. So after making 5 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain, and now we are going to start our first row. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, which is counted as our double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around crochet hook like this, go into the ring of chain, draw up a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops. This is called our double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into the same ring of chain, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 loops, pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into the ring, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 and then pull the yarn through other 2. Make 2 more double crochet stitches into it. So we have made total of 5 double crochet stitches here, and our first row is completed. To start the second one, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, which will be counted as our first double crochet stitch. And now we are going to make chain row. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, 4, 5. After making 5 chains, turn up the work. This is our first double crochet stitch, this is second one, and this is third one. In this third double crochet stitch, make a single crochet like this. Now make chain 1, chain 2, 3, 4, 5, and now skip 2 stitches, and here is our third chain. In this third chain, make a double crochet stitch. So second row is also completed. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 3, which will be counted as double crochet, and now turn up the work. We are going to make this shell stitch into this very first double crochet stitch. So in this double crochet stitch, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5. Now make a single crochet into this chain 5 space. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, and then chain 5. make a single crochet into the next chain 5 space, and now we are going to work into the third chain again. So here is our third chain, 1 2 3. Into this third chain we are going to make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and then we are going to make another double crochet because we need 6 double crochet stitches for the corner pattern. So here is the pattern of this shawl. Now we are going to make this chain 5 row again. So make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, which will be counted as double crochet, and then we are going to make 5 chains, 1 2 3 4, and then 5. Turn up the work, and we are going to make single crochet into this stitch, 1 2 3. Into this third stitch make a single crochet, now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, make a single crochet into the chain 5 space, and again chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, single crochet into the 1 2 third. Here is our third stitch. Into the third double crochet stitch make a single crochet. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, 4, and 5. Again skip 1 2 stitches, and here is our third chain, which is counted as double crochet these 3 chains. So in this third chain make double crochet stitch like this, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, turn up the work again, make shell stitch again with 5 double crochet stitches into the same double crochet stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to make chain 1, first of all we will make a single crochet into this chain 5 space, now we are going to make 5 chains, 1 2 3 4, and then 5, and a single crochet into the next 5 chains. Now we are going to work into this single crochet stitch, and we are going to make shell stitch into it. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and double crochet 5. So for every corner stitch we are going to make chain 3 and 5 double crochet on this side and 6 double crochet stitches on this side, but as rows are increasing we have to make shell stitches in these single crochet stitches between these chain 5 spaces as well, and to get odd number we are going to make shell stitches of 5 double crochet stitches in the middle, only in the middle. On the sides we are going to require 6 stitches totally. So now make a single crochet into this next chain 5 space and make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4 and then chain 5. Make a single crochet into this next chain 5 space, and now we are going to make our last shell stitch of this row into this third chain. So here is our third chain. Into this third chain make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, 4, 5 and the last one is 6. So this is our pattern, and with this same pattern we are going to make our triangular shawl. I hope you guys like this pattern video. If you like it, give it big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and your family. Remember me in prayers. Bye.